Okay, folks, at this point you can turn the lights off. At this point we are just about to exit and we'll be out in the open for another 25 minutes or so. Be out in the open water. Don't be surprised if it rains. It can sunshine 1 minute, rain in another minute.
Won't we get wet if it rains?
I don't think so, man. You're waterproof.
No worries.
He can't get to the bone, no. We ain't going to get to the bone. Only the skin. It's waterproof, man. When you look at the postcard saying Cape Cubit in Belize, this is exactly the same spot that they show on the postcard. So you can say, I've been there, done that. I've been to Shibalba. Been to hell and back.
This is what I could lay on all day. Look at me.
Keep me in the water anyway. Sure? I think after that flood, yeah, after that flood, the stick they just started closing.
I don't think as much as this is.
Yeah, serious.
I wanted to clear the line of settlement.
Probably too.
Good,
Good.
guys.
Yeah, could be too.